If you're over 50 like me, and you're needing some extra income for retirement, and you've thought about this online stuff before, but thought, there ain't no way in hell I'll learn all that tech stuff and I damn sure don't want to be a salesperson, then this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly what I did step by step to search for and then choose an online business and give you all the reasons why. Hey, my name's Don, and like a lot of folks our age, I was needing extra income because my retirement wasn't shaping up exactly like I'd planned. Now, I gotta be honest with you, this wasn't gonna be my first dip in the pool. You see, years ago, I wasted about a half a decade and the price of a used bass boat chasing this shiny online BS. Yeah, even with that bad taste in my mouth, here I was looking again. And then one night on YouTube, I ran across a 57-year-old Canadian grandma named Wendy. Now, Wendy was having some success, and her story sounded a lot like mine, and in fact, everything she said made sense to my over 50-year-old brain. She was 100% relatable, and I just kept watching, but I couldn't quit thinking, man, if a grandma can do this, surely I could too, right? Now, I know some of you out there are visual learners like I am, and you'd rather see than have to listen to me explain it. So if that's the case and that's who you are, I put the link that Wendy sent to me down below so you can do that. It's a step-by-step roadmap. You'll see everything I saw, and that's how I did it too, by the way. Okay, so let's start here. First off, to be in business, you have to have a product or an offer. I mean, you got to have something to sell. If you don't have a business. You got not a zilch, zero. Think of it like having a lemonade stand, but no lemonade. 100 thirsty people standing there at your counter, wanting to spend money, but you got no product. Guess what? You're done. Now, there's no shortage of digital products for you to choose from. I mean, the four main categories are ebooks, online courses, memberships, or done-for-you digital products. And honestly, they will all work. There's no shortage of choices, but whichever one you choose, you need to make sure it's got these four things, these four legs that hold up the table. Number one, profitability. How much do you make per sale? Number two, demand. Do you have people already wanting it, or do you have to create the demand? There's a big difference. Three, sustainability. When you sell something, do you have to recreate it, or is this more on the shelf already? Big important thing. Number four, alignment. Does it align with your personal and family value? So after looking through all the choices, I kept coming back to Wendy. And that little voice inside my head kept going, hey, dummy, success leaves clues. If grandma can do it, you can do it too. So in the end, that's who I picked. Now, the product that I chose came with Master Resale Rights, or MRR. And let me explain what I mean by that, because it's important. So the product was going to teach me step by step how to market it while allowing me to earn my license to be a certified reseller and earn 100% profit on every sale. The next table leg's demand, and it's teaching me how to get the product out in front of the people who want to buy it. The really cool part was all this was made so easy through the step-by-step instructions in Wendy's mentoring. Now, I told you up front, one of my non-negotiable was I didn't want to have to be a salesperson. And when you offer something, most people don't buy the first time. So you're taught in sales, follow up, follow up, follow up. And who likes that? I tried an MLM once. Call your friends, call your family. Didn't want nothing to do it. One of the neatest things I found is this product comes with an automated system. If somebody clicks and is interested, it automatically follows for you. You don't do a dadgum thing except answer if somebody actually answers you. How cool is that? I said cool as that twice, hadn't I? And that brings us full circle back around to the blueprint I talked to you about earlier that Wendy showed me. It takes you to a free class. In that free class, you learn how the program and the system works 100%. Remember when I told you most people won't buy after the first time? This free class gives them total clarity. Once they've seen that free class, it's easy for them to make an informed decision. If it's yes, they move forward. If it's no, they simply unsubscribe. No pressure. And yes, it is as simple as that. And yes, you are giving them value either way. Now, let me tell you a quick little story. Back when I was 22 years old, I know, a long time ago, I bought a little boat and I went and picked it up, put it behind my car, Went to the gas station, put gas and oil in the little tank, and I went straight to the lake. It was a Sunday afternoon in Fort Worth, Texas, and that boat ramp was full. People everywhere waiting to back their boats into the water and get their boats out of the water. When it finally became my turn and I got in line, I realized I didn't know how to back up a trailer. And I jackknifed that thing all up and down that ramp 20 or 30 times until a man finally came over and said, "Son, get the heck out of the car. I'll do it for you." I don't know that I've ever been that embarrassed in my life. But I can tell you for sure that when I left that day, I went to the closest mall. This is before they weren't open on Sundays, where it was a big parking lot, and I practiced backing that thing up until I could do it blindfolded down the ramp. And I only tell that story to make this point. About 30 days ago when I started this, I was 22-year-old me sitting at the top of the boat ramp, not knowing what I didn't know. And with all the step-by-step stuff, you still have to practice. So every day I've jackknifed my boat trying to get that ramp doing this. The difference is from the word go, that guy said, "Hey kid, let me help you do this," and then you can go somewhere and learn. That's the way this is. You simply go at your pace. All the stuff is there. There's no need to be scared. There's no need to not start either. You can do it. If I can do it, I can do it because Wendy could do it. So if you'd like to see the program and the system that allowed Wendy, a 57-year-old grandma, to bail her family out and to convince me to jump in with both feet to follow her, I've put that blueprint, like I said earlier, right there in the description box. Go down there and click it. Don't take my word for it. Go look yourself. And no matter what you choose, keep fighting the good fight and God bless.